At the Army-2024 defense exhibition in the Moscow region, Russia has introduced its latest innovation in military technology, the MGT-LB multi-purpose amphibious armor vehicle. Developed by OKR Transporter, the MGT-LB is designed to replace the aging MT-LB, a vehicle that has served the Russian armed forces since the 1970s. This new all-terrain vehicle represents a significant leap forward in Russia's military capabilities, offering enhanced performance, versatility, and protection across a wide range of challenging environments. The MGT-LB is a light, multi-purpose tractor transporter, specifically engineered to meet the varied demands of modern military operations. Its ability to transport personnel, ammunition, and military equipment, along with its capacity to mount various weapons and specialized equipment, makes it an invaluable asset on the battlefield. Furthermore, the vehicle is designed to tow artillery systems and trailers, making it a crucial component in both combat and logistical support roles. One of the most impressive aspects of the MGT-LB is its ability to operate in some of the world's most extreme climatic and geographical conditions. Whether navigating through virgin snow, tundra, good swampy terrain, or mountainous regions, the MGT-LB is built to perform reliably. It can function in temperatures ranging from -50 to +40 degrees and operate at altitudes of up to 4,500 meters, with the capability to cross mountain passes as high as 4,650 meters. The MGT-LB boasts a gross weight of 16,500 kilograms and a load capacity of 2,500 kilograms, enabling it to carry substantial payloads. It can tow trailers with a gross weight of 7,000 kilograms, further enhancing its logistical utility. Despite its robust armor, the vehicle maintains a relatively lightweight design with a curb weight of 5,600 kilograms. The MGT-LB offers protection that meets the standard 4569 Level 3 standard, providing significant defense against small arms fire and shell splinters. For mine protection, it meets standard 4569 Level 1 standards, ensuring crew safety in mine-prone environments. The vehicle can accommodate a crew of 2, along with 8 infantrymen housed within an internal volume of 8 cubic meters. Powered by a 450 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine, the MGT-LB can reach speeds of up to 70 km per hour on roads and 10 km per hour in amphibious mode, demonstrating its versatility across various terrains. Its operational range is an impressive 800 km, ensuring it can support extended missions without the need for frequent refueling. In terms of maneuverability, the MGT-LB is designed to overcome a wide range of obstacles. It can handle gradients of up to 35 degrees and manage a 25-degree gradient while towing a trailer. The vehicle can traverse side slopes of up to 25 degrees and climb vertical walls as high as 0.8 meters, showcasing its superior mobility in rugged terrains. The introduction of the MGT-LB signifies Russia's commitment to modernizing its military capabilities. This vehicle is expected to provide Russian armed forces with a versatile, reliable, and durable platform that will serve various roles in combat, logistics, and medical support units across all branches of the military. Its ability to operate in some of the most challenging environments on Earth positioned the MGT-LB as the cornerstone of Russia's military operations, effectively replacing the vulnerable MT-LB and ensuring that Russian forces remain equipped with state-of-the-art technology for the future. Beyond its domestic use, the MGT-LB holds significant export potential. Many countries still rely on the MT-LB and other similar vehicles, making the MGT-LB an attractive option for those seeking to modernize their armored vehicle fleets. Its versatility, protection, and mobility make it suitable for a wide range of military operations, from peacekeeping missions to high-intensity conflicts. Additionally, the vehicle's ability to operate in diverse climates and terrains enhances its appeal to nations with various geographical challenges. As Russia continues to expand its influence in the global arms market, the MGT-LB could become a key export product, strengthening military ties with allied nations and providing a boost to Russia's defense industry. With its combination of advanced features, robust performance, and strategic versatility, the MGT-LB is poised to play a significant role in the future of modern warfare.